Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market has been balancing within a range and buyers have been active ahead of Friday's low. Heading into the open today, we have pre-market support at 63.75 and the main area of support at 60.75 to 62.75, and that is also going to serve as the short-term bull-bear zone. So as long as the market's holding above 60.75 to 62.75, it means that the recent breakout to fresh all-time highs is still intact and the buy side can still maintain control. On the upside, we have resistance at 74.25 to 76.25, which marks the all-time high, and in order to break out beyond 74.25 to 76.25, we will need to see broad market strength and sustained upside momentum. Our short-term bias today is going to be neutral bullish, so we are going to continue to favor the long side above 60.75 to 62.75 and above the pre-market support of 63.75, with the understanding that the market is developing a trading range up here, but the overall environment continues to be bullish. So as long as the buyers are holding ES above initial support, we can continue to balance at these higher prices, and the door is still open for eventually breaking out beyond 74.25 to 76.25. Now, given that we're in a summer market and the ranges aren't really all that big, in the event that the market tries to break out beyond 76.25, we may just end up getting a marginal high. It doesn't necessarily have to be a big breakout, but that is something that we'll need to gauge and assess in real time. If there is sufficient volume and sustained upside momentum, then we have to understand that beyond 76.25, there is no hard resistance. So how high the market goes beyond that is really going to depend on the range potential of the day. And then on the downside, ideally we want to see the market holding 60.75 to 62.75, but in the low probability scenario that the market ends up breaking initial support, we can still get buyers active at the 56.5 high volume node, at the 54.25 naked VPOC, and in an extreme case, the 48 to 50 support area. So again, heading into the open today, our short-term bias is neutral bullish. We are going to continue to favor the long side above initial support, above pre-market support, and the high probability upside objective is 74.25 to 76.25, and then in order to go beyond that, we'll have to see broad market strength, the other markets also lifting, and then sustained upside momentum. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's see if the buy side can maintain this recent control, and we'll take it from there.